Hello, this is Steve from Object River. This video is about downloading and installing the Object River CloudCompiler plugin. This is our Object River homepage. Go to the Downloads page, click the Downloads link. This will download a RAR file, or basically a zip file. In your Downloads directory, let's open the zip file. Now we're going to do an extract. Extract here. I'm going to go to my other drive. So I'm going to extract this to my E drive. That's on the screen. Now we've just installed the plugin to our E drive. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open just a random Intellij project. I'll open the CloudCompiler project. Here we're going to click this little wrench. This is where we're going to be able to load plugins. We're going to go to the Plugins tab. And down the bottom, we're going to say Install a plugin from disk. We're going to go to our E drive in the Object River, go in the SDK toolkit, the Intellij directory. This is the plugin here. So that was quick, and now what Intellij wants you to do is restart Intellij. Click this button. Sure you want to exit? Yep. Now this is restarting Intellij. This will take a second. Probably shouldn't have picked such a big project, the CloudCompiler. There we go, gives us a tip. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a new project. We're going to open one of the samples in the toolkit. We're going to say it's the Java example. Don't want any templates. We're going to go pick one. Down here, now we're down inside the Object River toolkit. We'll click example, finish. Sure, loaded into this window. Okay, so now we're into example Object River REST model. I can look at here. This is a REST model. I don't know why this coloring has happened. I went to Intellij 18, and now all of a sudden it's got this weird color combination. But what you can do is you come up here, edit configurations, hit this plus. Now you can see there's CloudCompiler right here, plugin, and you get to this and you're installed. Now all you got to do is configure this plugin, run it, and you're good to go. Thanks.